We're going to start this off by making a new project parameter that pertains to views called subdiscipline. And then we're going to reorganize our browser using that. So up to project parameters in here, I'm going to make a new project parameter. I'm going to call it subdiscipline. And it's going to be under common, which is okay. It's going to be data type text, so I can type it in, and I'm going to group it in here under graphics. I'm going to leave it as instance. I'm going to click in here and type in a V to go down to the view area, and there, it only pertains to views. So set that up and hit OK, and then hit OK. So automatically now all views have this subdiscipline. There it is. So now this is being controlled by a view template. So I'm going to go into here in this particular view for my architectural reflected ceiling plan and assign it to be lighting. So any view using this view template is going to use the subdiscipline lighting. Now let's reorganize our browser. Right click on here, browser organization. Let's go by discipline, and let's also add that new subdiscipline. Hit edit. Right now it's organizing it by discipline and then by family and type. Let's go by discipline, then by subdiscipline, and then by family and type. All right, and then hit OK, and then hit apply and hit OK, and that reorganizes my browser. Now we're going to see some triple question marks showing up because they don't have a subdiscipline assigned right inside of here. So there's our lighting ones there. That's okay. But these don't have a subdiscipline. So let's grab all of these together at once and go to this subdiscipline field in here, for instance, and just call it design and then hit enter. Boom. All of a sudden now under architectural, I have a design subdiscipline and a lighting subdiscipline. Same as in here, I could have this and I could change this to also be design. So I have a design under coordination and a design under architecture. Okay, so then I have my views, and now they're organized by discipline and by my new subdiscipline.